how to install the YouTube app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop. Whether you're looking to access YouTube more easily or just prefer having an app for your favorite streaming platform, we've got you covered, so let's get started. The easiest way to install the YouTube app is through the Microsoft Store. Here's how you can do it. Click on the Start menu. Whether you're looking to access YouTube more easily or just prefer having an app for your favorite streaming platform, we've got you covered, so let's get started. The easiest way to install the YouTube app is through the Microsoft Store. Here's how you can do it. Click on the Start menu and type in Microsoft Store in the search bar and select Microsoft Store from the results. In the Microsoft Store, type YouTube in the search bar at the top right corner and press Enter to search. Find the YouTube app in the search results. Note, this might be a third-party app or a progressive web app, as an official YouTube app might not be available in the store. Click Get or Install to download and install the app. Once installed, you can open the app directly from the Microsoft Store by clicking Open and find it in the Start menu. Now, if you don't want to install an app, you can create a desktop shortcut for quick access to YouTube. Open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, go to youtube.com and click and drag the YouTube URL from the address to your desktop. Alternatively, you can right-click on the page and select Create Shortcut in Chrome or Pin to Start in Edge. And that's it. You've now got a few different ways to access YouTube on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.